Many people try to learn English, but very few people truly improve. Why does this happen? Because most people follow common advice, and common advice gives common results. Today, I will share secret tips for improving English. These are not magic tricks. These are quiet habits, simple habits, but very powerful habits. If you follow them daily, your English will change, not slowly, but deeply. Let us begin. Most people believe English is a subject. This belief is the first problem. English is not a subject. English is a skill. A subject is studied. A skill is used. If you study English like math, you will forget it. If you use English like walking, it will stay forever. This is the first secret. Stop treating English like a subject. Start treating English like a daily life skill. You do not study walking. You walk. You do not study breathing. You breathe. In the same way, you must live English. Think about your day. You wake up. You think. You plan. You talk to yourself. This inner voice is very powerful. The secret is to slowly change this inner voice into English. Not all at once, not forcefully, gently, patiently. For example, when you wake up, say in your mind, I am awake. Today is a new day. Simple sentences. Do not translate. Just say them. This small habit builds English thinking. The second secret is about mistakes. Most people are afraid of mistakes. They think mistakes mean failure. It is not correct. Mistakes mean progress. A child speaks wrong sentences, but no one laughs. Everyone smiles. Why? Because mistakes show learning. If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak. Secret learners love mistakes. They notice them. They learn from them. Then they move on. When you speak English and make a mistake, say to yourself, it is okay. I am learning. Confidence is not about being perfect. Confidence is about continuing. The third secret is about vocabulary. Many learners try to memorize long word lists. This feels productive, but it is weak learning. Memory without use fades fast. The secret is context. Learn words inside sentences, inside stories, inside daily life. For example, do not just learn the word hungry. Learn the sentence, I am hungry. Then use it. Say it when you feel hungry. Your brain remembers useful words. It forgets useless lists. This is natural. The fourth secret is repetition, but not boring repetition, smart repetition. Say the same sentence many times in different moments. For example, I need water. Say it in the morning. Say it at night. Say it in your mind. Say it softly. Your brain starts to accept it as normal English. This is how fluency is built, not by speed, but by familiarity. The fifth secret is input before output. Many people try to speak too early, without listening enough. This creates fear. Before you speak well, you must hear well. Listen to simple English daily, not fast movies, not complex news. Simple English, clear English. Let your ears relax. The sixth secret is shadow speaking. This is a powerful method. You listen to a sentence. You repeat it immediately. Not loudly, not perfectly. Just follow the sound. This trains rhythm. This trains confidence. For example, you hear, I believe in myself. You repeat, I believe in myself. Do this daily. Your mouth learns English naturally. The seventh secret is emotional connection. Language grows faster with emotion. Talk about things you care about. Your dreams, your fears, your plans. For example, I want a better future. I am working on myself. These sentences stay in memory. Emotion makes English real. The eighth secret is patience. Many learners quit too early. They say, I am not improving. But improvement is quiet. It happens inside. One day, suddenly, you understand more. One day, suddenly, you speak without fear. This is normal. Trust the process. The ninth secret is daily micro-practice. Not long study hours, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but every day. Consistency beats intensity. A little English daily is better than hours once a week. The 10th secret is self-talk. Talk to yourself in English. This is private. No fear, no judgment. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making tea. I am sitting down. I am feeling calm. This builds fluency silently. The 11th secret is accepting silence. Sometimes you will not know what to say. That is okay. Do not panic. Silence is part of language. Take a breath. Think. Then speak. Calm speakers sound confident. The 12th secret is clarity over complexity. Do not try to sound smart. Try to sound clear. Simple English is powerful English. For example, I want to explain something. This is better than complex sentences. Clarity builds trust. The 13th secret is pronunciation focus. You do not need perfect accent. You need clear sounds. Slow down. Speak clearly. Confidence comes from being understood. The 14th secret is learning phrases, not grammar rules. Grammar is important, but phrases come first. Learn natural sentences. Your brain learns grammar automatically. The 15th secret is environment. Surround yourself with English. Phone language, notes, simple videos. Make English normal. The 16th secret is speaking without fear of judgment. Most people are busy with their own lives. They are not judging you, even if they do. It does not matter. Your growth is more important. The 17th secret is progress tracking. Notice small wins. You understood a sentence. You spoke without stopping. Celebrate silently. This builds motivation. The 18th secret is rest. Do not overwork your brain. Rest is part of learning. Relaxed mind learns faster. The 19th secret is confidence before correctness. Speak first, correct later. Fluency comes before perfection. The 20th secret is belief. If you believe you can improve, you will. If you believe you cannot, you will not. Belief shapes action. Now let us bring everything together. English is not difficult. The method is wrong. When you live English daily, when you remove fear, when you stay consistent, English becomes natural. You do not chase fluency. Fluency comes to you. Practice today. Say simple sentences. Listen daily. Think in English. Do not rush. You are learning. You are improving. Trust yourself. English is becoming part of you. Speak calmly. Practice daily. You will succeed.